this is Electronic Vlogs here. And yes, we've now got our car. It's a Mazda. And my dad's here at the front. It isn't his car. Yeah, it's my mum's car. And these are 3 members of the Electronic family. We've got Electronic Dad, Electronic Max, and Electronic Scott. So, like...
Oh, it's got a CD player.
Hi! It's got CDs and... It's got CD players, I mean... A radio... I just love the motion. And thanks to my auntie Ashley for dropping this as a surprise. And
it wasn't a surprise. Mum and Dad just paid for it.
Yeah, we paid for it.
I just love his car.
And
put the windows back up.
Electronic Max says that he loves Mummy's car.
I can't do it.
Right, I'll come and get it.
So right now the door
I do it.
is kind of on child lock, I think. Yeah, it's child lock.
Right, come on, let's go. Come on.
Oh. So like vlogs. No, I'm not talking about vlogs. I'm talking about my mom's car. So vlogs. Oh my god. No, so like the Electronic family is a pretty good family together, and yeah, and look guys, it's a Mazda. It's a Mazda. It's a Mazda Premacy. And
What is that, a Mazda Premacy?
yeah, and it's this very good. And here's a shout out to Electronic Dad and Electronic Max. So yeah.
Listening to Sunflower, Scott.
Yeah.
Have you seen them?
Yeah, Chloe saw them only 2 days ago, I think. Like 5 days ago, possibly. I don't know how many days ago. So I should probably shut my mouth. Because it's going to be the end of the video. So, bye guys. If you enjoyed this episode here, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you want to speak to me somehow, just leave a comment. And Get Somewhere by News 2016, you can get on several occasions. You can get on Google Plus. And YouTube. Obviously, so just a YouTube playlist. And yeah. So.